Hi there. Welcome to Lesson 3 of our HTML tutorial video series. In this lesson, we will discuss the common HTML tags. Learning the different tags will help you write better HTML pages. We will have few video sessions for Lesson 3. In this video, we will learn the common HTML tags used for grouping or sectioning parts of a web page. Without further ado, let's get started. To facilitate your learning, we have grouped the commonly used tags based on their purposes. Here, we have tags that are used for grouping or sectioning parts of a web page, such as division, paragraph, lists, and tables. We also have tags for styling purposes such as displaying text in bold fonts, or italicized, or underlined, etc. Another type of HTML tags are those used for forms and data input. They are the tags that are commonly used to accept and save data. We also have tags for displaying and capturing images. We have tags for audio and video purposes. And we have these other tags that we have not included in a tag group, but that you will almost always use. In the next section, we will learn how each of these tags work by using them in a sample web page. Let's continue. We will start learning the basic tags for grouping or sectioning parts of a web page. These tags are div for division, p for paragraph, ul for unordered list, ol for ordered list, table, and span. The div tag in HTML is a container element used to group and organize other elements. It creates a logical division within a web page, allowing for styling and manipulation. In our example, the div tag wraps around the heading, paragraph, and image elements, creating a cohesive unit that can be styled or manipulated as needed. The p tag is an HTML element used to define a paragraph of text. It represents a block-level element, meaning it creates a new line before and after the paragraph. In our example, the p tag is used to enclose the text. This is a sample paragraph. This will display the text as a separate paragraph on the web page, with appropriate spacing before and after it. The ul tag is an HTML element used to create an unordered list on a web page. It is used to present a collection of items that do not require a specific order. In our example, the ul tag is used to define an unordered list. The list items are enclosed within li, or list tags, representing each individual item. The browser will display the list items as bullet points by default, indicating that they are part of an unordered list. The ol tag is an HTML element used to create an ordered list on a web page. It is used to present a collection of items in a specific order, typically using numerical or alphabetical markers. In our example, the ol tag is used to define an ordered list. The list items are enclosed within li, or list tags, representing each individual item. The browser will display the list items with sequential numbers or letters by default, indicating the order of the list. The table tag is an HTML element used to create a tabular structure on a web page. It allows you to organize and display data in rows and columns. In our example, the table tag is used to define a table structure. The table rows are enclosed within tr tags, representing each row of the table. The table headers are defined using th tags. And the table data cells are defined using td tags. The span tag is an HTML element used to apply styles or target specific parts of text within a larger block of content. It is an inline element that does not create any line breaks. In our example, the span tag is used to enclose the word sample text within the paragraph. The style attribute is used to apply the style of color blue to the enclosed text. Let us now look into this example of an HTML page, where we are using the tags we discussed. The first tag we discussed is the div tag, which is used to group and organize other elements. It also creates a logical division within a web page, allowing for styling and manipulation. Here in our example, we have two divisions or group of elements. This is the first division. And this is the corresponding output. This is the second division. And this is the corresponding output. As you can see, our output here is in green color. This is because we styled our second division to display in green color. The second tag that we learned is the p tag or paragraph tag. A paragraph tag is a block-level element that creates a new line before and after itself. In our example here, we can see that there are empty lines before and after each paragraph element. The third tag that we learned is the UL, or unordered list tag. An unordered list tag presents a collection of items that do not require a specific order. In an unordered list tag, the items are displayed in bullet points by default. Here in our example, we have an unordered list of colors. In the output, the list of colors are displayed in bullet points by default. The fourth tag that we learned is the OL, or ordered list tag. An ordered list tag presents a collection of items that require a specific order. In ordered list tag, the items are displayed in sequential numbers or letters by default. Here in our example, we have an ordered list of country names. In the output, the list is displayed in sequential numbers by default. The fifth tag that we learned is the table tag. A table tag is used to create a tabular structure that organizes data in rows and columns. In our example here, we have a table that shows an ID number on the first column and the corresponding person name on the second column. And lastly, one of the basic tags we learned in grouping and sectioning is the span tag. A span tag is used to apply styles or target specific parts of text within a larger block of content. Here in our example, we used a span tag to apply red color and bold font to some parts of text within the paragraph element. In the output, we can see that the text within the span tag is in bold font and red color. We have finished learning the common HTML tags for grouping and sectioning parts of a web page. We will continue learning another group of common HTML tags in the next session. Specifically, they are the common tags used for styling purposes. See you there.